Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a working account and device permissions so the app can find nearby services. Once signed in, grant location and notifications. This lets the app show live vehicles and send alerts. Next, add a payment method or your transit pass in Wallet so you can book or board without delays. Make sure your phone's time and date are correct. Mismatched device settings can block verification and live updates, so correct them before moving on. You'll now plan a trip. Enter an address, stop ID, or use Near Me to see options close by. Once results appear, use filters to narrow by arrival time, accessibility needs, or fare type. This reduces unnecessary choices. Tap a trip to open the itinerary and follow the step-by-step directions. This shows walk segments, transfer details, and vehicle ETA. If you need a reservation or seat, select it here. Otherwise, note the boarding stop and estimated door-to-door time before heading out. You'll finish the journey by arriving at the stop a few minutes early and watching the live vehicle position. Once on board, validate your ticket in Wallet or tap to pay when prompted. That completes the trip. After riding, review trip details and rate the driver if prompted. This improves service. If live tracking or fares fail, try refreshing the app, toggling location permissions, or restarting the phone. If problems persist, use the in-app support chat to send diagnostics and a screenshot for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.